Welcome, today we're going to show you how to fix 5 GHz network channel not showing up into your Wi-Fi connections. So if you're trying to find your 5 GHz band and you can't actually find it, the first thing that you need to do is to open the taskbar as you see from here, and then you need to right click on the start menu, and then you need to go to device manager. You need to open it, and after that you need to go to the network adapters. So this is the network adapters section. You need to expand it, and then you need to search for your Wi-Fi adapter by actually searching for the adapter that says Wi-Fi as see from here. So after that you need to right click it and click on properties. From here you need to go to advanced, and then now you need to click on the preferred band. For the preferred band, you need to go to the value and set it to 5 GHz. After that, you need to go to fat channel intolerant and you need to enable it. Then go to the channel width for 5 GHz and set it to auto from here. And also do the same for 2.4 GHz. After you do so, now you need to go to the roaming aggressiveness. You need to click on it and set this to the lowest. Click on OK. After you do that, just close everything and go to the start menu, hit on the power options and restart your PC. And that hopefully will fix your issue. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.